5 reasons why you must restore and maintain your gut health. Top tips to keep your gut healthy. Did you know the majority of your immune system is located in your gut? In this video, you'll find out 5 reasons why you must restore and maintain your gut health, with numerous top tips to keep your gut and digestive system healthy. Before then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to access other helpful videos, and then kindly click the grey bell icon to be notified of future videos being uploaded to the Natural Health Guys channel. While your immune system is very complex and comprised of many internal processes, organs and functions, a great deal of your natural defense against illness, infection and disease has to do with your gut and digestive health. This is exciting news because it's relatively easy to regulate what's going on in your gut. It's worth spending the little time and effort required to apply some easy and simple tweaks to your lifestyle now, to avoid paying a heavy price with your health later on in life. The choice is yours. To help you make that decision, here are 5 reasons why you must restore and maintain your gut health. Number 1. Why you need to keep your gut healthy. In today's hectic lifestyle, your gut and digestive health problems are due to poor eating habits leading to chronic inflammation in particular, and the move towards a more sedentary lifestyle. It's no wonder most people have significantly damaged their gut and digestive health. Here are 9 reasons why your gut health is a matter of life and death. 1. Hippocrates is known as the father of modern Western medicine. Way back in the 5th and 6th centuries BC, he stated that an unhealthy gut was the cause of all human disease. Simply put, he knew thousands of years ago what modern digestive health experts will tell you: keep your gut healthy and you will be healthy as well. 2. Think about the phrases gut instinct and go with your gut feeling. The idea with those terms is that your gut somehow acts as a second brain, telling you what you should and shouldn't do in certain situations. 3. In the early 21st century, health researchers are understanding that not only should the gut be considered a driver of behavior in addition to the brain you have in your head, but it's actually not secondary to your head-centered brain in many ways. 4. After all, your gut contains trillions of bacterial organisms which form what's called a microbiome. This is a complex community of bacteria which control digestive processes and help manage your overall metabolism. 5. Since the metabolic process is linked to how your entire body works, and many of these processes are influenced by your gut, you can see how important this second brain is to overall health and wellness. 6. Your microbiome is home to both good and bad bacteria. 7. When your gut health is managed properly, you don't do away with all the unhealthy bacteria in your microbiome. Some of it's still there, and always will be. 8. When you achieve and maintain proper gut health, you so dramatically improve the level of good bacteria in your system that it keeps the bad bacteria in check. 9. The end result of good gut health is a balanced ecosystem, where the different bacterial populations exist in healthy ratios. Number 2. Follow 7 simple steps to take to restore gut health. These next 7 steps are as easy to do as they are to not do. It's a simple choice, and it's your choice. Are you going to take action or not? 1. Most people do this. Have you ever heard someone complain about not having enough time? 2. There is almost always more than enough time in the day to do the things you need to do, but sometimes people prioritize their activities and tasks incorrectly. They spend a lot of time doing things they shouldn't be doing, so this gives them a time crunch when it comes to what should be high-priority activities. This is true of your gut health. 3. You may think you don't have enough time to make your gut healthy, or for other health-boosting considerations. The good news is that repairing and restoring your gut and digestive system to a naturally healthy level doesn't take a lot of time. 4. You probably already eat, at least once or twice a day. All you have to do is change what you eat, not how much time you spend eating, and you can improve your gut health. 5. Eat more raw fruits and vegetables, whole foods, and unprocessed foods. 6. Whole grains, nuts, berries and seeds should take the place of processed grains, sweets, baked goods and high levels of white flour, salt and refined sugar. 7. Drink water and herbal tea instead of sodas and processed drinks. These simple dietary changes can improve the health of your microbiome in no time. Number 3. Get up and get moving. Exercise is a proven mood and health promoter. If you consider exercise a dirty word, don't think about it in the traditional sense. All you have to do is stay active, on your feet, and moving more than you're sitting and sedentary. For example, walk up the stairs instead of getting the elevator. Walk, run or cycle to the shops instead of driving. Do simple exercises whilst listening to music or a podcast of something positive and uplifting. This gets your digestive juices moving and your blood pumping properly through your body, thereby allowing your kidneys and liver, and other vital organs, to be able to support a healthy gut. Number 4. Avoid environmental stress and pollutants. Breathing in the exhaust fumes from cars and motorcycles can be just as negatively influential to your gut health as dealing with a cranky coworker. When you consciously avoid environmental and physical toxins and stressors, you make it easier for your gut to continue functioning properly. This is because stress of any kind increases the presence of cortisol and other hormones, which promote physical stress and add further to your chronic inflammation, two conditions which are at the basis of virtually all human diseases and illnesses. Number 5. Your gut repair action steps. Undertake the following 5 steps straight away. 1. Avoid processed food as much as you can. 2. Instead, eat a healthy, seasonal diet, following something like the Mediterranean diet as an example, where your food is as close to its natural state as possible, meaning it's minimally processed and cooked. 3. Also, drink lots of water and herbal teas, and cut out the sodas and fizzy drinks. 4. When you notice you've been sitting for an hour, get up and get moving, even if it's for just a few minutes. 5. Consciously look for ways to put yourself in less stressful situations, and limit your exposure to environmental toxins. Do this for just 1 month, and you'll see and feel your mental and physical health improve dramatically. And then continue doing it for the rest of your life. This is because those easy-to-execute practices have been proven to improve the ratio of good to bad bacteria in your gut, which supports your overall health. Conclusion. In most cases, it's never too late to restore an unhealthy gut to a healthy gut. And it doesn't take much time at all, with noticeable improvements felt within days. At the root of an unhealthy gut is your daily diet being made up of a significant proportion of what you consume being processed and ultra-processed foods. So, take the following 5 courses of action now. 1. Understand why you and your body need a healthy gut to survive and thrive. 2. Take 7 simple steps to restore your gut health. 3. Get up and get moving. 4. Avoid environmental stress and pollutants. And 5. Implement 5 gut repair action steps. In the next video, you'll be asked if your gut is causing you digestive problems. In the meantime, we hope you found this video, why you need to restore your gut health and keep it healthy, helpful and of interest. So please feel free to share with people you think will also find this video worth watching. And don't forget to leave a comment or ask a question in the comments section below this video. To get more videos like this one, why not become an exclusive subscriber of this channel? By clicking on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video, and then click the grey bell icon to ensure you get notified of when the next video is uploaded. Finally, if you'd like more information about the many aspects of digestive health for you or anyone you know who suffers with stomach or gut issues, check out the other videos in this series by clicking on the end screen coming up. And finally, many thanks for watching.